I'm David, and I'm an Alchemy user. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a test. So in Alchemy, in the desktop client, I am at the test list. Okay, so I've clicked on tests here. So I have several tests. Now let's suppose that I wanted to take one of these tests and use it as a starting point for a second test. I want to just modify the steps in it slightly. So let's take this this third test, and you'll notice in the interface we don't really have a way here to do anything other than edit this test. We don't have a way to copy it from here directly. So what we'll do is open that test. Now, if you'll notice, we have a select all, so you can select all of the steps in that test, copy them using the copy icon on the toolbar, and then just add a new test. So go back to the test list, add a test, and we'll call this one my copy. And then all we have to do is click on the paste icon on the toolbar right here, and our steps are in the script, and we can save. So now we have a test called my copy that is a copy of the original VD3 radio. This has been an Alchemy Informative, and that's the way to copy a test in Alchemy. Thank you for joining.